Alright, what is going on, everybody? My name is Isaiah Rios. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be working on my 1993 Honda Civic Del Sol. I'm going to be taking some stuff apart, like the door panels. I'm going to take off this door panel because it's not really attached. Same on the other side. I have a bunch of extra panels inside my trunk I'm going to take out. I'm going to be working on my visor here. This doesn't stay down up. It always comes down, so I'm going to take it off for now, I think, or try to tighten up the bolts or something like that. And then I believe that is all I'm going to be doing for today. I might write some stuff on the board that I need to buy and keep track of when it comes to it, but that's definitely all I'm going to be doing. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing today. Nothing crazy, just short, simple stuff. I'll let you guys know. I'll make some more videos of it, keep you guys posted. If you guys like this sort of thing, you know, remember, like, subscribe, and follow. I'm going to do all sorts of things that involve my Civic, my Genesis I have outside, my other Civic I have outside, and anything really that I get my hands on that's a car and I do anything fun. So like if I take a friend's car and we go do some fun drifting stuff in the winter, like we will, I'll record stuff like that. All sorts of things like that, things that my channel have, you know, but mainly following the build on this car here, which has all sorts of plans, honestly. Like right now it's a D series, D16 Z6. I plan to put a K series. I have a K28-2 upstairs, and I plan to put that in this car, but I have a lot of parts that I need to get this car ready for that. But you know, if you guys like this sort of thing, like I said, just hit all the buttons that you need to hit. Go check out my Instagram. It's at PapaGoat underscore I think. I'm not too sure. I'll leave a link in the description for that as well. But let's get to it. So I actually decided that this piece here I'm gonna put back in the car, and same with this piece, I think. Maybe. I think I am. I might not. I'm honestly on the fence about it. I don't know. But I'm going to clean these guys with some, I'll wipe it down with this cheap old towels, you know, just get all the dirt and debris off. Then some of these wipes, and then I'm gonna hit it with the protecting wipes, and should make it a little bit nicer. It's got cup holders, so I can store some stuff. I think the wiring still works, so I'm gonna do that too real quick. Look how gross it is in there. Oh, that's dirt. This part up here, a little hard to clean, but you know, it's not gonna be perfect. It's just so it looks better than what it is right now. But let's keep going. So now that we got those all clean, I'm gonna put them in. There you go, just right there, and cover this whole area up because it's all gross and gunky and I don't feel like cleaning it right now. When summertime comes and it's not winter out, I'm gonna give this car a really good clean. I'm gonna take out the carpets, all that stuff, or I'll pay someone to do it, I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna go install these real quick. So I was able to get all these pieces in. I don't have a radio because I'm leaving that slot open for a while just in case I put boost gauges there. That's where most likely they're gonna go. My shifter knob is right here, and it was kind of messed up the last time I was in, so I'm gonna try to re-put it in and hopefully it works better. But I'm gonna do this, take off the doors, and I should be on my way and done for the day. Some of these pieces I don't have, I'm gonna have to get again, but the rest of this actually looks pretty good. And my last Del Sol, I had some of these broken pieces in here I had to get replaced. Also, I don't know if you guys knew, but you know, Del Sols, they have a target top. That's why I like this Honda so much, is because of this piece. And this back window over here rolls down too. But yeah, I'm gonna keep getting after this. I'll keep you guys updated as I go along. Alright, so that is all I'm going to be doing today. I put the I kept the car panels, the car door panels on. I didn't feel like taking them off. I think it looks better with them on. I did take out the speakers because I don't use them. I ended up putting 2 of my interior pieces back here, like the whole center consoles back in. I took the rest out of my trunk because I don't want it rattling around while I'm driving. This car is pretty much ready to be on the road. It's allowed to be on the road. I just got to get inspected. But it's pretty much straight piped, so I don't like the way it sounds. So I'm not going to be driving it until I get a muffler that I ordered here. I'm just going to, you know, slap on a muffler just so it sounds a bit quieter and it's not as, you know, obnoxious when driving it. Everything else is good to go. It looks good. It's a good car. The target top is usually in the trunk, but both the shocks on the trunk don't work no more, so I have to order some new ones, and I will be doing that, I'm pretty sure, after I'm done with the valve cover gasket, and that's probably the next video. Is what I'll be doing is I'll be putting a new valve cover gasket. So if you guys like what you saw and enjoy the sort of stuff I do, there's gonna be a whole lot of DIY stuff and some how-tos maybe, but a lot of fun just having a good time with this car. So if you guys like that sort of thing, come back, like, subscribe, share if you guys want. Don't really care what you guys do as long as you guys keep watching. And if you're a car enthusiast, you know, keep getting after it, keep doing what you guys do when it comes to cars. Thanks for watching again. Later.